wanted to show how the tray goes back into the T31 X-Trail. So I've taken the frame out that had the fridge and auxiliary battery system. So let me just see if I can set this up here. It's probably not going to work. Nope. Okay, I'll do it as I go. So you can see I've taken out this section here, which needs to go back, which is here, and I have to remember to take this little piece as well. So this goes over the top like that, and you'll see it lines up with these little pieces down here, as long as you get it in correctly. Squish it down a little bit. It actually has to go underneath this rubber flap as well. So let me see if I can. So I can do it one-handed. Let's have a go. Okay, so now I need to just run my fingers along the edge to pull out the rubber, just to make sure it's all out of the way, so we can get a good seal on the fasteners. Nice and slowly, gently, just pulling out that rubber seal. Alright, so now it should just click down there and there. There we go. Feels like a good clicking going on. I think it's all good. Alright, so now you can see that's firmly in place. This little piece here goes back in to cover up this section, so that's literally just clicks in as well, so that's all nice and sealed. Alright, so now the trays can go in. Which are these ones? I beg your pardon. These are the bottom trays here. Okay. So I'll just set that up again so you can see what's happening. Just slides in right into place, like such. Okay. How's that? Back into factory mode, which is the way it originally was. It just sits there. So these trays then go in. One on the left. Slides in underneath. This piece here was that piece that come from there, which is now the auxiliary battery cable. inside. Slide in underneath. There we go. So this is the tow hitch, the ball and the pin, which goes into the receiver here. You can see these line up nicely there. So that pin will just literally go in there like that. If you ever need to tow anything on the X-Trail, this is all set up on the spare tyre rack. This here is actually a fold-down table, which we haven't actually used, to be honest. Just never got around to it, but it was basically the same concept as the I think it's called the Forerunner table system that you can set up on a tow hitch. Same sort of setup, but this was we got this fabricated. All right, so that's this little bag here is just lock nuts for the wheels as well, which I never actually got around using. So then we need to put in our top mats, top trays. This one, I believe, goes at the front. From memory, I believe it does. Yes, it does. So that one actually slides in like that, locks in place. And this is our mat, which is needs a little bit of a vacuum. Just put it there now. And this one goes at the back section like that. It just pops into place. So there you go. Back into factory mode. Easy peasy. All right, because you can look under there, or you can just slide these out. Very straightforward. And then the mat can go on the top. If I can find the right way to go. I've got a feeling it's this way. Let's throw a shape. There we go. Done. Which these are factory X-Trail mats, sorry. Done. All right. So there's the tray back in place, ready for use.